What's up, YouTube? Sorry if I didn't speak. I was swallowing something. Not that. I was swallowing some food. But yeah, I have this problem with my iPod that I'm recording with right now. My iPod somehow, it's only 5 to 6 months old, right? Brand new. Just got it brand new in June, and ever since June, the home button has been not working that well. I have to like push on it, slam on it, hit it sometimes to get it to work. I'm starting to get annoyed, so I don't know what to do. I think I might have to take it back. Well, it's already been 6 months, so there's no way I'm taking it back now. But I might just trade it in, get another used one. So yeah, I might get a used iPod 5. Oh, that might be awesome. Because some people might trade in the iPod 5 because it's having problems. But if I do get the iPod 5, oh, yeah, but hold on. Hold on. I gotta, I tweet. Let's see this tweet. Oh. Oh. Her. Oh, yeah. My sister's friend is pregnant. She is 17. And I admit that I didn't sleep with her, but she slept on the floor. Well, I let her sleep on my bed, and I slept on the floor, and that was... That better not be me. That was like 6 months. No, that was somewhere in May. That happened. No, somewhere in June. And she just texted me saying, she tweeted me saying, "Hey, I'm pregnant." I'm like, "Who's the father?" She's like, "Oh, not you." I'm like, "Oh my god, thank God. Oh my god." I was so scared. Oh my god, my mom would have killed me. I'm glad it wasn't me. But thank God. Thank God. Thank God. Thank God. Thank God. I know. I would like to get a girl pregnant, but I got somebody in mind. I want to get pregnant, but I don't. She said wait until we're married, so I'll do some protective stuff on her. I think she knows who I'm talking about. She better. She better. If you are watching this, you know who it is. I was like, thank God it wasn't me. And then she's like, why? I'm like, well, my mom would have killed me. She's like, okay then. I'm like, stop doing the dots. It scares me. I don't like when girls do dots. It scares guys all the time. You know how it is. Guys, you know how it is. When a girl texts you, like, yeah, dot, 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 dot. And then something else, dot, 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 dot. And you're like, okay. And you're like, yeah, dot, 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 dot. I'm like, what the fuck? Like, really? Stop with the dots. You anxious to the dots? Really? Guys never text dots. And if you text dots, you are gay. I've never texted dots in my life. Probably because I didn't know what to say, so I put yeah. And then I put dot, 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 until I thought of something, and then I wrote it. And I never used dots after that, so. Thank God it wasn't me. I would have been so fucking mad. I was like, I don't remember doing anything. But yeah, back to the story. Home button doesn't work. So, yeah, any questions, just ask me. Do a video response. Peace.